This is a demonstration of how to do the walking animated loop with moving perspective. Notice the foreground rocks are moving faster than the middle ground mountains, and the background sky is moving slower. First, we're going to set up a new folder with our images in them. We're going to start with the rocks and road in the foreground, go to the other offset filter, do the horizontal offset, retouch the seam so that the edges will match on the outside and the inside will be seamless. We're just using the rubber stamp tool here to touch up that seam. Now we're going to go ahead and save the file as a PNG. Now we're going to do the mountains, which is in the middle ground. And we're doing the same thing. We're using the offset filter under other, offsetting it so the seam is in the middle, and retouching that seam with the rubber stamp tool. Since the mountains are in the middle ground, we're going to go to curves to reduce the contrast. Notice the shallow slope, which means we're bringing the highlights down, shadows up, is going to reduce the contrast. Here's the before and after. Now we're going to go ahead and save as a PNG file. We're going to do the same thing on the sky. So we're going to go to the offset filter, offset it so we can get the seam in the center, retouch it with the rubber stamp tool. Since the sky is in the background, we need to reduce the contrast even more. So we're going to go to curves and bring the highlights down and move the shadows way up so that the contrast is reduced and it appears lighter. So there you go. There's a low contrast sky. We're going to save the file now as a PNG.